Hi, this is Charlie, and I see all these YouTubers waving checks that they've earned on YouTube and pitching that if they could do it, so can I. What's the deal? Here's the plan. Building a list of 1,000 subscribers is an achievable goal for the average person, but it requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and the right tactics. Let's delve into the process and understand what it takes to reach this milestone, including the odds of success and the time it might take. Consistent effort, the foundation of success. Consistent effort is the cornerstone of building a subscriber list. This means regularly creating and sharing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and continuously optimizing your strategies. Consistency builds trust and credibility, which are essential for attracting and retaining subscribers. Here's what consistent effort entails. Regular content creation. Aim to produce high-quality content on a regular schedule. This could be weekly blog posts or weekly or daily videos and bi-weekly newsletters. The key is to maintain a frequency that keeps your audience engaged without overwhelming yourself. Audience engagement. Actively interact with your audience through comments, emails, and social media. Respond to their questions, acknowledge their feedback, and show genuine interest in their needs and preferences. Continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in your niche. Continuously refine your content and strategies based on feedback and performance analytics. Strategic planning, setting the right path. Strategic planning involves setting clear goals, understanding your target audience, and devising a roadmap to achieve your objectives. Here's how to plan effectively. Define your goals. Clearly articulate your subscriber growth goals. Break down the goal of 1,000 subscribers into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, aim for 100 subscribers in the first 3 months, 300 in 6 months, and so on. Identify your target audience. Understand who your ideal subscribers are. What are their interests, pain points, and preferences? Create detailed audience personas to guide your content creation and marketing efforts. Develop a content strategy. Plan your content around the needs and interests of your target audience. Ensure your content is valuable, informative, and engaging. Utilize a content calendar to organize your publishing schedule and maintain consistency. The right tactics, tools for success. Implementing the right tactics is crucial for attracting and converting subscribers. Here are some effective tactics to consider. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly and optimized for conversions. Use clear calls to action, easy navigation, and subscription forms that are visible and accessible. Leverage social media. Use social media platforms to promote your content and drive traffic to your subscription page. Engage with your audience through posts, stories, and live sessions. Use hashtags, collaborations, and paid promotions to expand your reach. Offer incentives. Provide incentives to encourage people to subscribe. This could be a free ebook, access to exclusive content, discounts, or entry into a giveaway. Make sure the incentive is valuable and relevant to your audience. Email marketing. Use email marketing to nurture your audience and convert them into subscribers. Send personalized, relevant, and timely emails that provide value and encourage engagement. SEO and content marketing. Optimize your content for search engines to increase organic traffic. Use keywords, backlinks, and high-quality content to improve your search engine rankings and attract potential subscribers. Time frame. How long does it take? The time it takes to build a list of 1,000 subscribers varies based on factors like niche, content quality, and marketing efforts. With consistent effort and the right strategies, it is reasonable to achieve this goal within 6 to 12 months. Here's a rough timeline. Months 1 to 3, focus on content creation, website optimization, and initial audience engagement. Aim for your first 100 subscribers. Months 4 to 6, leverage social media, offer incentives, and enhance your email marketing efforts. Target 300 to 500 subscribers. Months 7 to 12, continue refining your strategies, increasing your reach, and engaging your audience. Aim to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. Conclusion. Building a list of 1,000 subscribers is a realistic goal for the average person, given they commit to consistent effort, strategic planning, and the right tactics. By understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and leveraging effective marketing strategies, you can steadily grow your subscriber base and achieve your target within a reasonable time frame. Also, it's a good idea to make it a group effort to succeed. Build a team of 3 to 5 people, divide up the tasks, or hire people to help at Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. So let's go, subscribe for tips.